I'm back. It's another day, so this time I'm standing up. I'm feeling a lot better. So, um, back to the 2026 gun collection video. So this time I'm focused on long guns. So, let me get my next one. So this next one is called a MCK. Actually, it's actually a Taurus G3 inside something we call a macaroni. That's what it used to be called. So this is it. And in there, it's clear. So I have pop-up sights on here. It's a full stock. I had the pressure plate for this, but it broke. So yeah, I have to make do with that. Okay, I need to get another pressure plate for it to put on this side. I have optics. This is for. Oh, I got to screw that down. Work this way loose. Yeah, I'm not gonna screw hold that down. This is for like breaking glasses. Like if you need to break a glass, that's what that's for. So yeah, this is a full size G3. Inside a macaroni. I usually don't take it out, but I'm gonna try to take it out for y'all. So this is how you take it out. And this is the G3. Full size G3. I got the grip on here because, you know, when you got this profile, you're going to want something with a grip. Power of editing. Alright, so, yeah, I like this little setup. You know, it's got where you can buy the little flashlight to go in here, but I don't use that. I just use this. But, you know, got my extra mag holes where you can put it in the front. Or you can use a 17. I mean, well, I usually like to have a 17 here and a 30 round here, like that. Moving on. Alright, so this one that y'all see every year is a Marlin 60 Classic 22 LR. This was my grandfather's. I tell this damn story every year, but this was my grandfather's. I did have the original stock to it, but it was so badly damaged because it was like in a basement and water damage, you know, and yeah, it needed a lot of work. And I kind of wanted to take and modernize this, so I bought this plastic shield to go around, you know, that you just set the rifle into. And I sanded this down to have like a chrome finish. That's why I look like this. This was originally black, so I kind of sanded it down with some sandpaper and put a finish on it, so it give it that silver. But yeah, this is a Marlin 60, classic Marlin 60, with a tactical stock on here. Alright, so this is a GSG 16. Let me clear this because it didn't have a mag in there. Alright, so so this is it's another 22. This is not a suppressor. This is here for show. This is actually the whole barrel. So this is not a real suppressor. The back end adjusts like so. No, it's good little planking. It's good for planking. Damn, I forgot I even had that on here. I might take that off, put this on another firearm. Okay. Yeah. It's another little 22 rifle LR I got. I had went with gray. I don't know. I just wanted something different, so I went with the gray. You know, safety is here, fire here. Well, fire here, safety here. You take it out just like the real GSG. You know, it like that. You press this in to get it out. It's just similar to the real one. You know, you give it the slap. You know, the old slap rule. You know, but yeah, nice little cranking 22. Next one is my Salvage 320 shotgun, tactical shotgun. This do have a grip on here, and I put this buttstock on here for, you know, to absorb the cushion of the blowback. It helps a little. I mean, I can shoot it either or, but you know, one time I kind of fucked up my shoulder because I was fucking putting like hundreds of rounds through this, and yeah, I kind of fucked it up. So I put this on here. That from happening again. Custom sold shell holders on each side for tactical reasons. Got a Picatinny mount up here. Beaded front sights. I think this holds 8. I don't remember. Let's see. Yeah, I think this holds 8. No, 7. And 1 in the head. So yeah, 8 total. So this is my Salvage 320 shotgun. Alright, so this one, clear this. Alright, so this is my Escort 12 gauge shotgun. This is a kind of a tactical shotgun. As you can see, it's a bullpup, so it loads from the rear. I like the sights because it kind of reminds me of M16 sights. But yeah, the magazine loads in the rear, like so. Press in, you can take it back out. But this is the Escort 12 gauge. I didn't really do anything. Oh, and the cheek well rises too. You know, just by loosening that up and see if I can get it to do it. See, it rises up like that. See, you can change this out to where you can have your birdshot shoot come out in a tighter pattern instead of spreading out as much. So you can change these out in here just by changing the choke out. So you can put a different choke in and the birdshot shoot more tighter patterns instead of spreading out, which can be like damn deadly. It's almost buckshot, you know, if it's holding that center. You know, usually birdshot's, the more they go out, they spread out. Well, you can put a different choke on here where it keep it tight, keep it centered. So all them BBs still going straight forwards to the spreading out. So that's what I like about this. You got two or three different type of chokes. I don't remember. I gotta go find it. I gotta put it up somewhere. But you can change these chokes out. Escort 12 gauge. All right. This is my 16-inch 300 Blackout. And this stock and front grip is a C from CQR. Got optics up here, removable optics. Loosen that, and this come right on out. Front sights, rear sights. Obviously, I can't lift it up because it's in the back. Slings on each side. Picatinny rails, grip. This, I cut the handguard down to give it more of a tactical look and make it a little bit lighter. So because the handguard used to come all the way out here. But I cut the handguard down to right here. That's why I look like that. So this is my 300 Blackout 16-inch barrel. Okay, so this is my 300 Blackout book bag gun, and I carry this one a lot. So I put a lot of kind of work into this one. Optics, pop-up sights. I changed this out, so that's recoil. I mean, the blast focus forwards. I got pressure lights and stuff on here. I extended out the charging handle where I can easily rack it back if I got gloves on. The grip, bottom grip for it. And I put the grip up here, and that's for when I'm holding like this. But this one gets better. This is why I love this one. Ready? It folds. That's why I say it's a book bag gun. So obviously it can't shoot without that being there. I mean, without it being completely closed. It have to be closed, otherwise it won't fire. Safety reasons. And you can't fire without that being back there anyway, without it being closed. So I bought this offline and built that up and put that on here. So, and this is a 300 Blackout 8-inch ARP. This is a book bag gun. Alright, so this is my 12-inch 5.56. Now, I don't have a brace on here because I'm in the middle of changing it out. I want to put a different one on here, so I'm in the middle of changing out. I'm not decided what I want to put on here yet, but this is my 12-inch ARP, pop-up sights, and of course, you know, got the pressure lights. Optics, obviously. I do have the charger handle obviously on here too, but I want to get an extended one on this one too. But yeah. So this is my 12-inch. I do have grips on both ends of this, and I got my position to, you know, like this. So this is my 12-inch ARP. Extended mag. Damn, I need to oil this. Woo. Yep, I need to oil this. I ain't shot this in a while. So my 300 Blackout got the same thing too. To drop the bolt here on this side, but that one got it too. But it don't have, I don't know why they put that on there, but it don't have this, the extended mag release, which I should be putting it on that one. I don't know why that one don't have it. I keep forgetting to put one on there, but I could. I just forget. I just forgot. So this is my 12-inch 5.56 ARP with no brace on here yet. Now this next one is built for range. Let me clear this. This motherfucker kind of heavy, so this one is my 5.56 223, built for long range AR-15, 16-inch barrel. And I kind of got this one all decked out to be tactical. The muzzle is custom. Wait a minute. That is for, well, without it, you know, it acts just like any birdcage one. This, you put this on here, it focuses all the blast forward instead of blasting out to the sides. So yeah, this is not a suppressor. You put this on here and it focuses all the energy forward instead of to the sides. Trust me, the people at the range will thank you. I do have a grip because when I'm stationary, a lot of people don't have this, but when I'm stationary, a lot of people can grab it here. There's nothing wrong with that, but I don't want my fingers in front of that. I mean, of course I can get higher sights from my scope, but I like the profile of this. So when I'm sitting on the table, I can do this. You know, that's why I got that right there. Or if I need to get out on a heartbeat, that's why I got that like there. Because this is the means for both long range and short tactical. You can be on a scope, come up off of it, and then, you know, that's what this was built for. So I do have a Picatinny rail up here just in case I want to put an optics up here, or I wanted to. This scope got some range on here. I guess I got to change the batteries. I don't let the battery ran out, but yeah, this is my 5.56 223 that I built to be a long range rifle. So that's my 2026 gun collection. Let me know what y'all think. Sorry if I kind of breezed through that. Like I said, I'm not feeling, still not 100%. And as you see, I'm sweating because I got the cold sweat still. So that's why I kind of rushed through it this time, because I'm starting to feel it now. But I hope y'all like that, my 2026 gun collection video. And I know I did it differently. I usually do it like a skit, but I just wanted to switch it up. You know, I got tired of doing the skits for the gun collection. I wanted to be more serious about it. So let me know what y'all think, and like, share the video, and stay tuned to the next.